Coming to SK World, today in this tutorial we will see how to create the XPath of specific field. So let's begin. Right click on this field and we want to find the XPath of this field. So right click on field and then click on inspect. Control F, / asterisk bracket ID. Here we need to enter the ID of this field, which is username. Copy this text and ID available, which is username, and add the rate. If we search, then we can find this field is highlighted and XPath has been created. Same for name, we can create XPath with this name. We just need to change from ID to name. Here you can view the username field has been highlighted. XPath always started with / asterisk @ ID is equal to username. This username field has been highlighted. Same for this password field. Just right click on this field and here password ID is password and name is equal to password. Just change the text here, username to password. Sometime we need to handle the span. We can also write the XPath for span. / span. You can view all the span in this page. / span. After this, you will need to type the bracket text is equal to text round brackets is equal to, here enter the text. Copy this span text and paste here. / span. Copy the span text and bracket text is equal to equal and span text is open menu closing bracket. Here you can view, we can also write the XPath of this span. We just need to copy this and add this XPath into your project. Driver.find element by .xpath. We can easily write the XPath of a specific field element of this field of element and button. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to SQ1. Hit the bell icon for updates. Have question or topic you want to see? Comment below. Thanks for watching.